Right.
plan if they're not big.
Talk to your neighbors.
Knowing who they are and what's around them.
All right. Yes, Asa.
VIPs and subject matter experts, are they not
So that's like elected officials.